Do you have a high school graduate heading to college in the fall? If so, stay tuned for my quick money tips on the things they should practice this summer. Hi, my name is Holly Reed Tootle with the Master Playbook, and welcome to our Financial Vitamin series. Today, I want to talk to you, those who are celebrating their graduates. We are so proud of our kids, but before they go off on their own, I wrote down 3 quick things that you should make sure they master before they head off for college. All right? So, number 1, you need to set money expectations. I'm talking about start having the conversation now. Do you expect them to work while they're in school? Or will you be sending them this weekly allowance, this monthly allowance, or will they have a lump sum that they'll have to manage throughout the semester? If you don't know, they certainly don't. So make sure you set expectations about how money will flow to them while they are in school. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, have your recent graduate create a budget for the semester. I mean, have them think through all the expenses, all the things they think they're going to need to spend money on while they are in school. Food, campus life, hair, nails. Do they need gas money for the car that they're taking onto campus? Then I want you to review it with them to make sure they've captured everything that you expect for them to be spending their money on. All right? This is going to be a big help for them in getting them some practice in how to manage their money. And then finally, number 3, I want you to make sure that your graduate understands the difference between a debit card and a credit card. Listen, you would be surprised. I talk to high schoolers across the nation throughout the year, and this is one of the things that they really struggle with. Like, they really just don't know how it works. They know all about Cash App. They can tell you everything about Bitcoin, but they struggle to tell you the difference between a debit card and a credit card. And so when you're having these conversations, also layer in those money expectations. Will they have their own credit card? Will you put them on your credit card? All of these things come with consequences, or all of these things should have some kind of boundaries or parameters that you talk to your teen about. So those are the 3 money tips. Get started now. We don't want them falling into these financial pitfalls that we may have fallen into as college freshmen. And so I'm here to help you. What I want you to do next, let me know. Tell me in the comments, what are some other ways that you are preparing your recent grad to be the independent rock star we know they can be once they are off on their own? Let me know in the comments, and then I want you to check out our resource for the best money smart gifts for graduates this season. Until then, I'll check in with you later.